Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to find your Stories activity in Facebook on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching the website or app on your PC. Step 2. Once logged in, click on your profile photo located in the top right corner. This will open your profile page. Step 3. On your profile, look for the Photos tab situated on the left-hand side. Click on it to access your photo albums. Step 4. Now, locate the 3 dots icon positioned at the top right corner of the Photos section. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Activity Log. This will take you to a page where you can review your Facebook activity. Step 6. Lastly, within the activity log, find and click on Stories activity. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of your past Stories interactions. And there you have it. You've successfully discovered your Stories activity on Facebook using your PC. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.